friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be another unboxing video, and we are unboxing today the Lookfantastic Beauty box for the month of July. I haven't even had the time to get it out from the box. I just finished filming another two boxes unboxing, the Look Incredible beauty boxes. So if that video will be up, I will link it here on the card or put it on the description box. This is the July edition beauty box. This is how the box looks like. If you don't know anything about Lookfantastic, I will give you a short info. Lookfantastic is a huge online retailer, and they also release a monthly beauty subscription which retails for £15. The shipping is free all over the world. You get 6 products. There is a mixture of skincare, makeup and hair care. The box tends to be mostly turned to skincare type of the product. So if you are really into the makeup, there can be some months where your needs won't be completely fulfilled, and they do offer option to subscribe for 3, 6 or 12 months, and then the price for the box per month it is slightly decreasing. If I missed some other information, everything it will be linked down below. But before we are starting, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. This is how the smaller channels are growing. The mind is like water. When it's calm, everything becomes clear. Look fantastic. So this is the monthly code. Like every month you are getting the Elle magazine, really nice magazine that you are getting for free. I think this retails for £25, really expensive. I also got some discounts from Refresh Avocado. If you are interested, just let me know, so I will give you the codes, the discount codes. Here you get the booklet, which tells you everything about the products and also some new releases that are available on the Fantastic website. And you do get all the prices for the products that you are getting. I like that everything is blue, including the worms. So here's what you get inside. This July month it is the Hydration Edition beauty box. Give skin the ultimate lit from within glow with our July edition of the Lookfantastic beauty box. This month we are helping you to give your complexion a boost skincare focused edition of the beauty box edit, including 6 incredible beauty products. We are sharing our favorite ways to use the contents of the box and top tips for getting the most out of them. Discover the science of skincare as we are unveiling the beauty secrets of hyaluronic acid, a recipe for glowy skin in just 5 minutes, and in-depth guide to know how to best hydrate and moisturize your skin. So this is from Ellie, the chief editor of the Elle magazine. I suppose another skincare box. Okay, you also get the sneak peek for the month of August, which I will show you in the end. So first we have the sneak peek for the last month, and this is the LME's Hydra Balance Day Cream. The product looks like this. You get 20 ml, so quite generous size. LME's Hydra Balance Day Cream worth £19 and 10 penny. Formulated to provide continuous hydration, this day cream keeps the complexion soft and supple. Designed for normal to combination skin, this moisturizer contains meadow sweet extract to regulate oil production and hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture. I could use this for sure. How to use? Apply to clean dry skin every morning. Okay, so another morning product. You know what? Because it's sealed, I won't open it because I have another creams that I need to go through, and for sure this has only 6 months shelf time, so I won't be able to use it right now because I'm still working on my Figs and Rouge skincare that I have from a few months. I haven't finished them, but I'm really chuffed to have this LMS product because I really think LMS products are amazing. The next product, it is by Vita Masks. Eye Gold Brightening and Firming, made with real gold extract and hyaluronic acid. So another hyaluronic acid product. So if we are speaking about hydration, it makes sense. So the Vita Mask Gold Eye Pads retail for $5.99. Designed to plump and tip off tired under eyes, these eye pads instantly hydrate and cool skin. Made with real gold extract to brighten and hyaluronic acid to plump and firm, these pads leave delicate skin surrounding the eyes soothed and radiant. How to use: apply to dry and clean under eyes, leave for 10-15 minutes and discard after use. Gently pat remaining serum into the skin. So this for sure it's a product that I will get some benefit during my vacation, because we all know that exposing to sun can dehydrate your skin. And by the way, I didn't give you an update on my previous video, but I'm going on vacation on August on 7th. We are going to Croatia for 10 days, so for sure I can use some hydration out of this box. The next product, it is by Aromatherapy and Associates. Revive Body Gel, worth £12. Ooh, so this is really handy for travel. This will come with me on vacation. Refresh the body and mind with this invigorating gel treatment. Infused with grapefruit, rosemary and juniper essential oils, stimulates circulation and reduces fluid retention, leaving skin soft and supple. Perfect for the summer months. This quick drying gel cools the skin upon application. How to use: apply a generous amount onto skin, massaging until completely absorbed. Okay, I noticed that is missing something from the actual leaflet. It's missing the beauty box tips, so you have only how to use. So this is just FYI. But sometimes I was finding those beauty box tips really handy. This gel I will open because I know that I will use on my vacation. Oh, so it's a real gel. Ooh, I love the scent. It's a bit minty. It contains grapefruit, rosemary and juniper essential oils. Okay, so this should be the oil, essential oil, really hydrating, and I love the scent. It's really fresh, and I imagine when I'm returning from the beach and I will have my skin a bit not burned, but you know that uncomfortable sensation after you are sitting on the sun. Even I'm not used to stay so much on the sun. I'm mostly swimming or watching for kids, but you know what I mean. I can use some hydration, and here I have 40 ml, which will probably last me for a couple of days. So I'm really chuffed to have this. And I told you how much it retails. It retails for £12, so really pricey for such a small amount. Next product. Ooh, I think I know what is this. It's similar with the makeup eraser. So, on the go hydro cleanser, worth $11.90. Effortlessly cleans skin without a cleanser with the Glove on the Go cleansing glove. Utilizing microtechnology, this cleansing glove contains star-shaped fibers up to 30 times thinner than a cotton pad, boasting antibacterial, electrostatic properties and absorb makeup and dirt like a magnet. How to use: moisten the cleansing glove and gently rub over skin to remove makeup and cleanse skin. Okay, so this is really handy. Also for travel. I think they know this. They know that July is the month of actual vacations. Mine, so on the picture it shows that you can get the blue version, and I got mine in white. So it's really handy. You can keep it with your one hand and massage your skin. Usually I have another one and I use after I use my gel cleanser, I will come with a microfiber type of the cloth, but on the days when I'm not using so much makeup, like it happened on the beach, on the vacation, this is perfect to use it only with water. It will remove everything. So I really love to have this also back with me on vacation. So till now, 3 products for my upcoming vacation. Not bad at all. The next product is by Quidco, Fat Eye Stick. So you can get it in gilt, smoke or satin. So I get mine in gilt or gilt. Ooh, this is really pretty shade, guys. It's a dark olive shade, a bit more cooler in tone. So you also can control how much you dispense, which I really love because I hate sharpening such a fat eye sticks. Create intense color and glossy finish with this Quidco Fat Eye Stick. Accentuate the eyes with this chubby crayon that delivers long wear and highly pigmented color. With an easy to use twist up design, these jumbo pencils glide on the skin without tugging or dragging. The final product, it is by... Wow, what? I cannot believe this. No, don't get me wrong, I'm really excited. Now by Illuminating Micellar Water worth £11. This seems to be a full-size item. You get 200 milliliters or 675 fluid ounces. Purify, prepare and cleanse the skin with this natural micellar water. Enrich with green tea to protect against environmental pollution and aloe vera to rehydrate and soothe. This micellar water is suitable for all skin types. Really cool ingredients. I just purchased a full-size micellar water a while ago, but a full-size micellar water is for sure something which you need in your bathroom. So I will do the math and I will let you know how much value you get out of the July beauty box. So the total value for the July month of Lookfantastic Beauty Box is £72 and you pay only £15 or in my case 13. Okay, not a bad month at all. I used to have more exciting beauty boxes, and I repeat for those of you which are more torn makeup, this beauty box might not be exactly on your taste, but for me, I'm really chuffed that I got the LME's Hydra Balance Day Cream, also the Aromatherapy and Associates Revive Body Gel, the Gold Eye Brightening and Firming Eye Mask, the Glow cloth to remove your makeup just with water, a full-size Nail Bay micellar water, a full-size eye product, a full-size Quidco pencil. So, as I said, not a bad month at all, and for sure all the products will find their use on my makeup or skincare regimen and also on my upcoming vacation. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you'll subscribe before you leave, I would like to thank you in advance for doing so. Don't forget to follow me on my social, that it's always linked down below, and other than that, I will see you on my next one. Guys, I forgot to show the sneak peek for the next month. So the August sneak peek is a brush. It's the Luxie 737 tapered highlighter brush, worth £26.5. So this is the brush we are getting, and I really love the shape. I'm really excited because I haven't had a Luxie brush so far, so I'm really looking forward to get my next month box.